My beloved students and the great teachers, the academic session 2026-27 started from 1st of April. And I take this opportunity to welcome each one of you. A special welcome to 250 new students who have joined the school. I also welcome the new teachers, 10 of them who have joined the school. Boys and girls, this is a very vibrant community of learning. I'm glad and congratulate each one of you who's part of Kamala Nehru Public School, a Microsoft Showcase school, and also a British Council school and being recognized for international dimensions. A place where learning happens in every action we take place, in every action we do. I'm here to talk about what lies in store for us in this session. Last year was celebrated as a year of gratitude, and this year is being celebrated as a year of kindness. Kindness is an important part, an important skill which all of you need to learn. So much of problems and issues can be, we can put them off if we are kind to each other. The next point which I would like to discuss is the discipline aspect, the academic excellence, the way we commute to the school, all the important facts, the uniform and everything. Children, the transport department is going through a change. That's one thing. And even the SP of the city and even the traffic control people, they've specifically given us instructions that no two-wheelers are supposed to come to the school. So don't think of it. Anything which is not in favor of you and your safety, we have to do away with it. That's the next point. So coming to the three-wheelers, I believe some tempos are coming to the school. That's also not allowed as per government guidelines. I urge upon the students to tell the parents that this is not the right ways. We cannot. So the result is they're not coming inside the campus. They're dropping the children outside. I wish everybody could come inside the campus in the mode of transport they are using. Coming on is your uniform. The pride which is there when you wear the tie and the belt is very important. And of course, 2 plaits or 1 plait of the girls and no ponytails, dear. They've been putting it in the class groups. I wonder why teachers are not putting it up across to the children, because we do see some of them still there. Children, these are some things which you would love to experience when you leave the school. Oh, we had to make these 2 ponytails, no ponytails, but 2 plaits. So keep that in mind. Academic excellence is very, very important. Disturbances in the class would be taken out. We are very, very firm this year. When I talk about disturbances, unnecessary bothering, making fun in the class and not letting the teachers, we are going to be firm on it. I urge upon the teachers and the coordinators to please take out the child. Let Ms. Charu ma'am, our principal academics, meet, and the child can, if he's not interested in studying in the class, he very well stays at home. Another important step which we had not talked about earlier. You come here to learn, so let's learn. This is a wonderful school where learning is all the importance is there. We have a great ATL lab and Tanu ma'am is looking after it. Please make sure you make the best use of it. This is grade 5 onwards. The parents requested, though it was from 6 onwards. If it is possible, we look into the 5 onwards also. Every year in the month of April, the last week, first week of May, we have the Innovation Festival in the school. This festival is around the corner. And the best part of this festival this year is that we have two very important dignitaries coming to a school. One is Mr. Shannon West, a British national. He is the head of British Council when it comes to India and the deputy head of North Area region of India. He's visiting a school on 21st, and we have recently won 2 prizes when it comes to STEM in education, in learning. science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So this year, the Science Innovation Festival would be nothing but STEM Innovation Festival, not science, but it was a festival which we were, Innovation Festival, where all subjects were covered. So this year, we'll be covering all the subjects too, but STEM would be emphasized upon. We are a school where plenty of AI goes on. We promote AI because AI is the future. And we cannot deprive you of learning the latest technologies and latest technologies which are coming ahead of us. So after that, the last point is, remember, we are your friends. We want you to do very, very well in life. We want you to, reach the stars. We want you to be leaders, to be prepared and born in the school. This is a training ground. The little ones, the small ones, the K-12 children who can actually go out in the world and conquer the world. The skill and the attitude which is required, we provide you with that. We want you to succeed in life, succeed as great academicians, as scientists, engineers, and even as film stars. Any field you choose, you have to be the best. Imagine yourself to be on the top. Sports is another thing we emphasize upon. We are running sports academies, cricket academy, football academy, and the lawn tennis academy in the school. Morning and evening practices would be done. Do not miss an opportunity of learning. Do not get involved in everything else but your physical fitness. If you're strong enough, you can hold the ground, be it be academics, be it be anything else. You are leaders in front of me. I have about 1,500 plus leaders standing in front of me. That's the strength of the school. And we want you to do wonders for yourself, for your life, for the society, for the country, and for the world around. You're the global citizens. Be those wonderful global citizens who set examples for everybody else around. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.